Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to save WhatsApp chat as PDF in iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin this process, open your WhatsApp and navigate to the chat heads section. Hold down the message you wish to save, and from the options that appear, choose to tap on copy. Once the message is copied, open the Google Docs app on your iPhone. Ensuring it's installed, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner. Then choose to tap on New Document. Name the document and tap on Create once done. Now, hold down the document and tap on Paste. Once the copied message is pasted, tap on the check icon at the top left corner. Next, tap on the three dots, scroll through the options, and select Send a Copy. From the formats, choose PDF and press OK. Save the PDF files, selecting your preferred location, and tap on Save. Now, go to the Files app. Choose the file location where you saved the PDF. In the Files app, locate the file, and upon opening it, you'll find the chart conveniently converted to PDF. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.